What is going on YouTube? Cristian Sevastian here, and I am from Digital Hill, and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial in Visual Basic 2013 on how to make a quick login screen. So first off, you start a new project and you add some buttons. One of them will be the login button and the other one will be the exit button. And yeah, here I am resizing them. Make them as you like, as big as that, the size doesn't matter. Anyways, after you added the buttons, you have to add two text boxes. One is for the username and the other one is for password. Make sure that you know which is which. For example, text box 1 for username and text box 2 for password. You arrange them the way you like. Make your form as big or as small as you want. Here I'm renaming the form into login because that's the login window, of course. Then you add two labels. One of them will be called username and the other one will be called password. Here I'm renaming the label 2 called password and label 1 called username. And now let's arrange them to be the way we want it to look, because looking professional is always a good thing. Now we're gonna rename the buttons. Button 1 will be login and button 2 will be exit. Okay, just arranging the form being as user friendly as possible, make it look more professional and everything. You can also customize this as you want. You can. Alright, let's get into coding. So the exit button will be me.close, as you just saw there. The password, you're gonna make the hold on a sec. You're gonna make that false. Now into button 1, which is the login button. This is the complicated part in all this. Well, it's not that complicated, but it's easy. Alright, we're gonna rename the text box as txt pass so that we know which is which. So if txt user that text is equal to let's say Christian, that will be the username, and txt pass that text will be equal to let's see, one password, Sebastian, which is my surname. And after you select the username and password, you do then press the enter key, and then you do form 2.show, which is like the second form you want to bring up, the form that requires the login. So here, to add the new form, you just go to project, select window form, rename it as you want. I call it top secret. So yeah, I'm extra like that, but don't mind that. Alright, I'm gonna rename that to form 2 just because I already wrote in the program form 2, but it looks like it's not working, so we're gonna make it rename it into a top secret form. That show, which is gonna bring up the form. So that's done. Okay, renaming that just to make it more neat, I should say. Okay, and then else, and this is where you want the message box, which is the error. So if they don't do the txt user and the password, if they don't get that right, they're gonna get this text box saying wrong username or password, so please try again, which is they will not be able to log in. Otherwise, if you don't do the else and message box, nothing will happen if they enter a wrong username and password. So here I am testing. So I'm gonna write my username wrong and then a wrong password. Click login and you get the error box, message box, whatever you want to call it. So now if I enter the correct username and correct password, you're gonna get a form. Okay, that's done. We're gonna add some stuff on the second form just just to show you that everything is working is fine. Label 1, anyways, renaming it. This is not to be seen. I don't know why I did that there, but anyways, I'm extra, and as I said, I like making my stuff more explanatory, user friendly, my tutorials I mean. Now txt user clear, so you're gonna clear the username and password so that the username cannot just type the exact same username if they just typed it like random. And yeah, we're gonna do that so it clears. If they get it wrong, the username text box and the password text box is gonna be cleared, which makes it much easier so that you don't have to delete it every time you get it wrong, or yeah, whatever. And then me.hide, which is the actual form the code is running, which is form 1 of course. So if you start the program, it's gonna open the top secret form, it's gonna clear the text boxes, and then it's gonna hide the current form, so only the top secret form is gonna show. And then you add an else if statement, which is basically adding another password and username, and you can do the else if as much as you want, as many usernames and passwords you want. Okay, so here txt user, this is not right for some reason. Let me just see. Okay, delete the if statement there, I mean the if, and it should work. So txt user James and txt password, which is gonna be font. Yeah. Okay, then you do the exact same code as above. Top secret form that show, txt password that clear, I mean txt user that clear, txt pass that clear, and then me.hide. Did I do that? I don't think I did. Anyways, you can add that after me.hide, which makes it better. So now you add James and the wrong password, it's gonna give you the error box, and then if you write the correct username and the correct password, you will get the top secret form. There we go. This works. See, if I didn't add the me.hide code in there, and the login form did not close. So now if you log in again, James, and then bond, click login, the form closes and the current form appears. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you next time with my next tutorial. Till then, check out the rest of the videos we have, and yeah, peace.